Hi everyone, Amar here. As usual, I'm here to share my real life experiences from the UK. Today, after a long time, I'm going to mow the lawn as the winter has almost gone by and it is the right time to mow it. So today I'm going to use Flymo Speedi Mo 360 VC. This is not a promotion, but I've been using this for the last 9 odd months. Probably this is the 5th time I'm going to use it and I really like it. It has been pretty flawless until now. I've kept the box just in case something goes wrong. So in case I need to return it because it came with a warranty. So I can pack it up in that box itself and can send it across. So if you have some space in your shed, it's a good idea to keep the original box intact just in case you need it. So I'll just explain you a bit about this. It's an electric lawn mower, as you see, and wheels are of plastic. Almost it is kind of plastic. The only good thing is that the blade is steel blade, and if you see, the blade is steel, right? And because I've used it a lot of times, so it's all dirty and all, but I think it has been doing a good job for me for the past 5 or 6 times since I have mowed the lawn. So let me show you the lawn. Basically, if you see, it's pretty big out there. The grass is pretty tall, but because this is the first time after the winter, I'm not going to use the deepest setting, but I will probably use the middle level setting. So as I was saying, there are 5 settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to use the middle setting so that I can get a medium level cut, because we don't want to cut too deep this for the very first time, because the grass is sensitive, and probably next time onwards when we will cut after say 15 days or another month, then probably I'll take it to the lowest level. Otherwise I'm going to cut it at the medium settings. One another advantage of cutting it at the medium setting is that if there are some stones, or say if there are some sticks, or if there is some very sharp object or heavy object lying on your grass, right? So it might damage your blade. But because I'm not going to cut at the lowest setting, so most probably it is not going to harm my blade either. So it's always good to basically first walk through your lawn and see basically if there are some heavy stones or some heavy sticks lying around. If yes, you can. It's a good idea to basically move them around or pick them up and remove them before we mow the grass. So just to give you the idea once again how big it is. And mine is a little uneven lawn, so I think electric lawn mower helps you with an uneven lawn also, because before I finally settled for this one, I had purchased a manual lawn mower, but I was very disappointed. It took a lot of my energy to mow the lawn, and it was not too great either. So it's always better to buy a electric or battery powered lawn mower. Here is another example how big it is. So let me start with my journey today. A few things before we start. Do wear your gloves and your shoes because the blade is pretty sharp. So you need to protect your hands and feet at the time of mowing. So just make sure that you have all your gear on. So now I have cut almost half of my lawn for the first time. If you see, the box is almost full. And good thing about this mower is that it doesn't throws the grass here and there. It usually collects everything inside the bin. So let me go and drop this, and then we'll continue with the rest of the lawn.
So now let me give you the idea how it looked after the entire thing was done. For the edges and for the boundaries, I think you will have to get a trimmer because it doesn't reaches to the edge. As you can see, I have selected the medium setting, so half of the roots are only cut. Otherwise it would have trimmed a lot better, but maybe next time.
Yeah, so all in all, I would say the mower did a fairly good job, and it has been doing. Hope this will help in deciding if you are planning to buy a lawn mower. Again, this is not a promotional event, just wanted to share my experiences.